Hi everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Holidays with the Housewife video. Today I have a really sweet insert card for you. This is my Joy insert card. No pun intended, of course, because this is a popular card style for the Cricut Joy. But it has the Joy here in the center, the fun gingerbread and ornament, and all of the other foliage, and just a really fun card to make. This card can be made on any Cricut cutting machine, including the Cricut Joy, Cricut Joy Extra, Cricut Explore, and Cricut Maker series. Insert cards are always really easy to make, and I can't wait to show it to you. So let's grab our materials and get started. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project was part of Holidays with the Housewife 2023. To make this project, you can purchase the individual cut file in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. If you'd like access to the entire event from 2023, including bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing, you can purchase the VIP Access Pass at thebeardedhousewife.com/HWTH23. I have links to both of these options in the description box below. No matter how you purchase the cut file, make sure to download the cut file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, and click Open, and Upload. Highlight the image, and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting of the score lines to do, so let's find the envelope, highlight the score lines, change those to score, highlight the group, and attach. And we need to do the same thing for the card base. Highlight the score line, change that to score, highlight the group, and attach. When both of those have been converted, you can go ahead and click Make It. And you'll see the different mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using medium cardstock for this project. One thing that I do want to mention, this card does have some intricate cuts, so make sure that you are using a brayer to attach the cardstock to the mat. You have a newer blade and that it's clean, and you're also using quality cardstock of at least 65 pounds and heavier. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so we have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our card base, fold and burnish along the score line. Go ahead and open up the card base and place the insert into the slits on the card base. There is our card. Super cute. I'm going to set that to the side for just a moment, and we can make our envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Add glue to the outer edge of the inlay panel. Flip the inlay over and place that on the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around. Bring those side flaps in. Add glue to the bottom of those side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up on that bottom flap and press. And then that forms our envelope. And our Joy insert card is all set. What did you think of this card? Isn't it super fun? I love the little design on it. I hope that you like it too. If you make this card, I hope that you share it with me. Whether that be through email or through our Facebook group, I would love to see your creations. Until next time, I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Holidays with the Housewife video. Bye.